Welcome to SLX Hospitality, where we specialize in providing unique OS&E products for the boutique, historic, and luxury hospitality industry throughout North America. Our carefully curated selection of preferred brands ensures that every guest's experience is nothing short of exceptional. When it comes to luxury tabletops, we trust Fortessa and Steelite. Fortessa offers high-quality dinnerware, glassware, flatware, and serving accessories that blend functionality with aesthetic appeal. Their elegant designs enhance dining experiences in upscale hotels, restaurants, and resorts worldwide. Steelite is renowned for its innovative designs and durable materials. Their versatile and practical dinnerware collections are perfect for any upscale dining environment. Frette and Sferra are our top choices for luxurious linens. Frette's impeccable quality and timeless elegance make their linens a favorite among top-tier hotels and resorts. Sferra's high-quality bedding, bath linens, and table linens combine comfort, durability, and sophistication, enhancing every guest's stay. We love working with Hunter Amenities and GFL Cosmetics to source a majority of our bath amenity options. Hunter Amenities provides a comprehensive range of luxury personal care products to cater to your brand's specific brand-approved needs. GFL Cosmetics creates premium toiletries that offer sensory-rich experiences using high-quality ingredients. For bath terry products, we rely on Boxer and American Luxury. Boxer's plush towels, robes, and spa accessories are crafted from premium materials like Egyptian cotton and bamboo fibers. American Luxury's products are known for their superior softness, absorbency, and durability. Casatex and Irwin are our go-to brands for bath accessories. Casatex offers sophisticated items for any counter space, crafted from premium materials such as porcelain and marble. Irwin provides luxurious bath accessories that combine aesthetic appeal with practical functionality, which are bound to elevate each property's most used in-room accessories. At SLX Hospitality, we are committed to providing products that elevate the guest experience. Our preferred brands ensure that every detail reflects the highest standards of luxury and comfort. Discover the difference with SLX Hospitality.